everyone, welcome to IAS Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topic of the day. Today's topic is initiatives taken for environment sustainability. Highlighting its commitment towards environmental sustainability, NHAI released its second conservative sustainability report for the fiscal year 2023-24. The comprehensive report details NHAI's robust framework for integrating environment, social, and governance principles into every aspect of its operations. It also highlights NHAI's alignment with India's global commitments for a sustainable future as encapsulated in a mission lifestyle for environment initiative and circular economy. The Sustainability Report 2023-24 underlines the effectiveness of various efforts made by NHAI for environmental protection and energy conservation. As per the report, despite a 20% increase in national highway construction in financial year 2023-24, NHAI successfully reduced its greenhouse gas emissions intensity from 1.0 MTCO2e per kilometer to 0.8 MTCO2e per kilometer, demonstrating a clear decoupling of construction growth emissions. The report also highlighted NHAI's efforts to promote the circular economy, which is one of the main pillars of sustainability. In financial year 2023-24, NHAI utilized over 631 lakh metric tons of recycled and reused materials, including fly ash, plastic waste, and reclaimed asphalt in national highway construction. In addition to this, NHAI continued to undertake nationwide tree plantation drives along the national highways. In financial year 2023-24, NHAI planted over 56 lakh saplings, and in 2024-25, it planted 67.47 lakh saplings, bringing the total tree plantation in over 4.69 crore since the implementation of the Green Highways Plantation, Transplantation, Beautification and Maintenance Policy of 2015. This initiative has helped to create substantial carbon sinks and enhance the positive environmental sustainability along the highways. NHAI has also undertaken conservation and rejuvenation of water bodies along the national highways. Under the Amrit Sarovar mission, NHAI has completed the development of 467 water bodies across the country. This initiative has not only rejuvenated local water sources but also provided nearly 2.4 crore cubic meters of soil for national highway construction, resulting in estimated savings of approximately 16,690 crore. Further, as the report, the water use intensity of NHAI has reduced 74% in water stress region as compared to previous report. NHAI has integrated best practice guidance document on eco-friendly measures to mitigate impact on linear infrastructure on wildlife, to alleviate man-animal conflict. In addition to sustainable development, the report also highlights NHAI's commitments to create inclusive and responsible work practices. As per the report, 100% of NHAI's direct employees and contract workers are covered under Occupational Health and Safety (OHS) management framework. NHAI also reported zero instances of workplace discrimination, reflecting its strong commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusion. Leveraging technology to enhance efficiency and transparency, NHAI successfully implemented AI-powered Data Lake 3.0 platform that has streamlined project management and helped resolve 155 conciliation claims, leading to an estimated savings of about 25,600 crore. Furthermore, the 98.5% penetration of FASTag has facilitated reducing congestion and vehicular emissions at toll plazas besides reducing carbon footprints. NHAI has taken significant steps towards adopting sustainable and eco-friendly practices, including the use of renewable energy sources, promoting green highways, and adopting waste management practices. The release of the second sustainability report provides a transparent account of NHAI's performance and sets a clear roadmap for future initiatives aimed at balancing rapid infrastructure growth with environment sustainability. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.